In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes to an existing flowchart in drawio for Confluence. We'll walk through opening your page, jumping into the diagram editor, adding the exact shapes you need, and then publishing your changes so your team can see them. I'll also share a few simple tips to keep your flowchart clean and consistent as you go. First, open Confluence and navigate to the page that contains your flowchart. Make sure you're in the page editor so you can make changes. If you see a view button, switch to edit mode. It's also a good idea to confirm you have permission to edit the page, especially if it's part of a shared space. Once the editor loads, scroll until you find the existing diagram. You should see the embedded draw.io flowchart right on the page. Next, click the flowchart to select it, then choose Edit. Depending on your setup, you may see an edit button above the diagram or a small pencil icon. This opens the draw.io editor in a full screen or modal view. Give it a moment to load all libraries and styles. You'll notice the canvas in the center, a shapes panel on the left, and format options on the right. If you're working on a complex diagram, it can help to zoom in slightly so connections snap precisely where you expect. Now, add the shapes you need. In the left panel, pick the appropriate library, such as Flowchart, and drag a shape onto the canvas. Resize it using the corner handles and double-click to add a label. To connect it to existing steps, drag from the blue connection handles to another shape, or select a connector from the toolbar for straight, curved, or orthogonal lines. If you want to keep your diagram consistent, reuse the same shape types for similar actions, and use the format panel to match fill colors, borders, and fonts. For quick duplication, copy and paste or use the duplicate shortcut, then edit the text. Use align and distribute tools to tidy up spacing, and turn on grid or snap if needed for a cleaner layout. If anything overlaps, right-click and use Arrange to bring shapes forward or send them backward. When you're happy with the update, click Save or Apply in the Draw.io editor to return to Confluence. Back on the page, select Publish so your changes go live. Give the page a quick refresh to confirm the new shapes and connections look correct. That's it. Your flowchart now includes the new shapes, neatly integrated and published for your team to use.